Welcome to Aon Product Pick, your go-to spot for camera reviews, tech comparisons, and the latest gear in 2025. Today we're putting two of DJI's hottest releases head-to-head, the DJI Flip 2 versus DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Both promise smooth, cinematic footage in an ultra-compact design, but which one is truly the better choice for vloggers, travelers, and content creators? We'll compare image quality, stabilization, features, portability, and price. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves your money. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let's jump into the battle of DJI Flip 2 versus DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So DJI Flip 2 is DJI's latest compact camera designed for creators who want versatility in a pocket-sized package. With its unique flipping lens system, it offers smooth transitions between front-facing vlogging and cinematic rear shots. The build feels solid yet lightweight, and DJI's signature stabilization ensures buttery smooth footage, even when you're on the move. Right out of the box, it feels like a gadget made for travelers, vloggers, and anyone who values portability without sacrificing quality. AI subject tracking that locks onto you even in busy backgrounds. The flip mechanism is fast and fluid, making it perfect for switching angles mid-recording. Battery life has also seen a boost, giving you more recording time, while the touchscreen interface is intuitive for beginners yet powerful enough for pros. Whether you're filming cinematic B-roll, quick TikTok clips, or long YouTube content, the DJI Flip 2 delivers consistently sharp and vibrant results. Overall, the DJI Flip 2 is a fantastic choice for content creators who want a reliable, creative tool in their pocket. It's not just a camera, it's an all-in-one filming companion that makes capturing your moments easier and more fun. If you're looking to level up your video game, this might be the upgrade you've been waiting for. You can check the DJI Flip 2 here. So now his DJI Osmo Pocket 4 takes pocket-size filmmaking to a whole new level. It features a new 1-inch CMOS sensor that delivers stunning 4K per 120 frames per second video and incredible low-light performance. The built-in 3-axis gimbal ensures ultra-smooth shots, even when you're walking or filming fast-moving scenes. Its upgraded ActiveTrack 6.0 locks onto subjects with impressive accuracy, making it perfect for vlogging, travel videos, or capturing action-packed moments on the go. One of the standout improvements is the large flip touchscreen, which makes framing shots and navigating menus a breeze. The audio quality has also been enhanced, with built-in stereo microphones and better wind noise reduction. Plus, the Osmo Pocket 4 now supports DJI Mic 2 for even cleaner and more professional sound. The battery life is solid, offering around 160 minutes of recording time, plenty for a day of casual shooting. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful camera for cinematic quality videos without the bulk of traditional gear, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is absolutely worth considering. You can check the latest price and availability here. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.